Lie down on your stomach with your feet hip-width apart and your arms by your side. Bend your knees and bring your heels as close as you can to your buttocks. Reach your arms back and grab your ankles with your hands. Inhale and lift your chest off the ground. This will naturally lift your thighs off the ground as well. Hold the pose for 15-30 seconds, breathing deeply. Feel the stretch in your chest, abdomen, and thighs. Exhale and gently release your ankles, lowering your chest and thighs to the ground. You can rest your forehead on the mat and relax.